Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing these knotless braids I already have in my head. I think these are really cute, and I feel like they're for people who want braids but don't want to take forever braiding their hair.
Yep, that's me.
Yeah, I did them in blonde. I'm only going to be taking down 2 braids to show you. So yeah, I'll be back.
Choose your fighter.
Okay, so my hair is taken down. I'm actually gonna repart it. Okay, so I got my comb, and we're just gonna, well, I'm just gonna split it in half. It's like the first time I had more hair in like the front braid. I don't want it to look like that again, even though it looked fine. Just being picky, but yeah, I'm just gonna part it right in half. Okay, good clean part. Now, use your gel, jam, whatever you use. I used this because my hair is really thick and it held it pretty well. Like gel won't do that for me. It's just gonna make my hair wet and then shrink up. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this first part of my hair that I'm gonna do last. I'm gonna put it away. I'm just gonna like ponytail it over here, this section. Okay, that's good enough. You can see the back of your head. Okay, and then you're gonna grab your jam, put it all around the perimeter so that your hair is like laying down best it can. And like I said, I used the whole jar on my head of 16 braids. Heavy-handed or what? Cause yeah, it's probably just me, I'm heavy-handed, but also my hair usually has trouble laying down, so I was like not taking any chances, especially because these are knotless and I can't have them looking crazy, you know what I mean? So I just, you know, had to go ham on this $3 jar of jam.
But I'm not a rapper though.
Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna split your hair, like the section you're about to braid, you're gonna split it in 3 sections. And those are gonna be your braiding pieces. Okay. They don't have to be perfect, of course. You just split your hair however. And then you grab all 3 pieces and you're ready to braid. Okay, so I bought 3 packs of like this ombre expression hair. And I really like it. I think this is gonna be the only hair I do my hair with from now on because it doesn't even tangle like that. It's super easy. So what you're gonna do, also by the way, I did my hair with 2 expression packs, just 2. So you're going to start taking out pieces of hair and make them this small. Like, I know you might be tempted because they're knotless braids to like try to thicken up the braid as fast as you can. So you're gonna want to get thick pieces, but that's not true. It took me so long to figure this out. Like, this is my first time doing these knotless box braids like this, and it took me a while to figure that out, but you just need small pieces. So I do 3 small pieces. Okay, I just put them to the side, and now it's time to braid. So I'm gonna grab my 3 pieces again, and they're right here. Just grab them all in one hand. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna have your 3 pieces, and what I do for my knotless box braid, I braid 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So it's like you're switching hands 3 times, if that makes sense. And then you just have the start of your braid right here. So literally all I did was braid. And then you're just gonna take, you're gonna take one of your pieces you have, and you're just gonna put it right in between the pointer finger you're holding your hair with, and you're gonna have this other one so you can grab the next piece of hair you were gonna braid. And you're just gonna braid that in like that. And you're just gonna keep braiding, and you see how that looks knotless already, and it's already thickening up, but not in like a, you know, like my problem at first was that it would be super skinny where I was where it was at the top of my head, and then when I add hair it would be like humongous. So we're only making seamless add-ins, seamless feed-ins. So we're gonna grab our next piece of hair. And I added in pretty quickly after the first one, just because, you know, I don't know. I just feel like it should be a bit thicker, and so I added in just like that.
Choose your fighter.
And then now I'm just gonna keep braiding for a bit. I don't add the last piece in until like near the end, because it's really only for thickness after like these 2 pieces start to get skinny again, for thickness and length. So yeah. And then don't be afraid to use more jam if you need it. My hair already had a lot in it and was already laying down pretty much, so didn't really add that in. And then I'm just gonna add in my last piece because it's about to get skinny again. So, sorry, I'm just taking away this straight hair, whatever. And then keep braiding. Like, I think the trick to this is to put your little feed-in piece wherever is most comfortable for you to just like keep braiding. Because that's all feed-in is. It's not like a super specific technique. You just pick up your piece, put it in where you're braiding, and literally keep braiding. Like, hardest part is holding on to it or not getting confused which part you're supposed to do next. So. Okay, so, oh my gosh. So I finished this braid. It's that long, but I'm gonna curl it, obviously. Obviously, and this is how it looks at the top. Knotless and whatnot. Ugh, my mind. Okay, now we're gonna do the last piece. You'll probably be able to see better on this one, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna take the, I'm so surprised I used this whole jar of jam on my head. Like, there's nothing left pretty much. Nothing except this, which I'm gonna be using. Okay, so, you know, slather it, slather it. I mean, slather it, but you know what I mean. Pretty much what it looked like when I did it the first time, because I had to blow dry my hair too. And usually when I do my braids, they're smaller than this, and I don't blow dry my hair. I just braid it wet because that's easier for me. But with knotless, I was like, I don't want to mess it up, so I had to blow dry my hair, and I hate blow drying my hair because it literally takes me like an hour and a half. But okay, brush. Ooh, ooh. You see how slick? That's why I love Jam, because it does this, and it has a hold on my hair. Like gel could do this, but 2 seconds later, gone. Hair, a mess. Okay. 3 sections. Split. Let me make that one a bit bigger. Split. Split. Okay. Again, don't have to be perfect. And then let me separate my 3 pieces. You know, professionals do this way before they're about to braid, but you know. But I do my best, and I haven't seen, I feel like people should try this hairstyle out with blonde, because I've been searching all over YouTube for blonde knotless box braids and no one has done them.
Just kidding, I actually saw a video on YouTube the other day about it, so.
I saw this one video, but they were smaller. They weren't like jumbo braids. So yeah, if you look good with blonde hair, if you like blonde hair in your head, I would say try this with blonde hair. Okay, I have my 3 pieces. I have my 3 pieces here. I have my 3 pieces here. Okay, so we're going to separate them again just so we can see what we're working at. Okay, now I'm about to get ready to braid. Okay, braid 3 or 4 times. Ready? 1. I guess this isn't really braiding. It's switching hands 3 or 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, pulling it tight, and then 4, and that's it. I just like to end on this hand because it's easier for me to grab hair with this hand. So that's just 4, and I'm not braiding again. I'm just switching my fingers so I can grab this hair. Okay, you have it. Put it in between your little fingies and grab this one. This has to be the easiest feed-in technique. You literally just grab it. And braid tight. That's another thing, braid as tight as you can. When you're doing your knotless thing, when you're doing your individual braiding, just braid as tight as you can. I'm gonna take the rest of this jam since there's barely any. And I'm just gonna put on the other side of my hair because looking frizzy. We don't like that. But, I mean, well, we're okay with it, but we'd rather not have it, you know? You know? So we're just gonna lay that down. How many personalities do I have? This jam's working pretty well for laying my hair down at the top. Which is what it was. What do I be saying? Like, that, of course, that's what I bought it for, to lay my hair down. So now I finished my braids. That's what I was supposed. I've been sitting here talking for like 2 minutes, not about my braids. But anyway, I finished the braids. Now I have to dip them and curl them and put this jewelry back on. So I will do that off camera. But here's my knotless braid. second knotless braid, and then a bunch of jam I put on my hair because I'm about to tie it up. So yeah, this is my finished result for my hair.
Choose your fighter.
I think it's really cute. Like, I'm gonna be doing this a lot more often because that's not true. I don't hate braiding my hair. It's just when they're small, it just takes so long, you know? So long. And this didn't take that long. I have 16 braids in my head altogether. So yeah, takedown's gonna be easy too. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to do your own knotless box braids, whether jumbo or not. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!